you know, we fish in the elements. When you fish in tournaments and travel all over the place, we have no choice but other than to go out and fish in those crappy conditions and the sun and the hot days, the cold days. But I'm part of Whitewater Fishing, which they have everything an angler needs to fish all year round, from the warmest days of the summer to the coldest days in the winter. You know, for example, I've got the heated vest on right now, and this thing goes with me almost every day on the water. You get those cool mornings, and in a warm afternoon, you just throw this on in the morning and keeps you toasty warm. And we developed this raincoat. This is called the Great Lakes Pro Rain Suit. And this is an uninsulated version, but this is more for your summertime fishing and, you know, late spring, early fall. Super comfortable rain suit. This has got a fabric that's stretchy, so it doesn't bind you when you're bending down to pick up a rod or unhooking a fish, that kind of thing. So this is my go-to suit all year round, you know, when it's not too cold out. But then when it does get cold, we got my favorite piece right here. This is the Great Lakes Pro insulated suit. And I've owned a bunch of insulated suits through the years, you know, just buying them off the rack and trying them out. And I will tell you, this is by far the best suit I've ever worn. Number one is it's super lightweight. When you put this thing on, you don't realize you're wearing an insulated suit. And I'm not gonna lie, I'm not a fan of being cold out there. I don't like fishing when it's super cold. But when I put this on, this makes my day so much more enjoyable. So, you know, with Whitewater, we've got everything you can imagine, from the summer all the way through the winter. So, you know, check them out. I'm sure you won't be disappointed.